Hi guys, very good afternoon. Very good afternoon. Right. Okay. So how things with y'all? All okay or having fun? Study is okay. Okay. Now, guys, actually, under module 8, we talk about the business intelligence and the decision designing strategic direction, which means we are under module 8. We talk about the research part. I took a start on the research part, but I didn't complete it. So today Pimal will not be taking, but initially the initial 2 hours I'll be taking today only till 4 o'clock. I have a personal commitment, so I'll be finishing the session by 4 today. මාස මම හිතන්නේ 4ටම අපි මේම වේලාසලින් ඉවර කරාමද කොහේ ඉවර කරන්න plan කරනවමද කොහෙද, right? But the area what I will be taking today mainly, which is coming under module 8 in your syllabus, called business managing business intelligence and designing strategic direction. මේ ඒරියා එක තමයි මම කතා කරන්නේ. මේකේ ස්ටාර්ට් එක මම අරගත්ත රිසර්ච් කියන කම්පෝනන්ට් එක. එතකොට මේකේ ඒ ටික ඒකේ ඉතුරු ටික තමයි මම I'll be completing today. I don't know whether I will be able to complete the whole scenario, but we will be taking it. But guys, okay, now it's kind of a I'll give you all separate notes on it, more than sharing slides. Can someone tell me where did we what did we discuss under research? Did we get an idea about the meaning of research, and did we talk about finding conducting a desk research kind of a thing, primary research, desk research, quantitative, qualitative data? Did we discuss those? So we were just identifying the term research. Can someone repeat? Can someone tell me? The classes class y'all were there. So y'all have come into the final stage. Final stage එක ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නකොට අර අපි අර nitty-gritties කියන එකනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ strategic විදියට හිතලා self studies තියෙනවා, so much of self studies to do. By the way, have you all started doing the assignment? Have you all started doing the assignment? Let me take the assignment also. Have you all started doing the assignment? Did you all get the assignment first of all? Hello? You all got the assignment, right?
Yes, sir.
Give me 1 minute, I'm searching the assignment. Okay, DSSM. This. Okay. All right, okay. You all have the assignment. Okay, all right, okay. Right. So have you all started doing the assignment? This is the assignment you all got now. The මේකේ ඕගොල්ලෝ බැලුවද ඕගොල්ලෝගේ LMS එකේ එහෙම link දාලා ඇති මේකට අදාළ link එක එහෙම දාලා ඇති. So did you all see that? එහෙම බැලුවේ නැද්ද ඒවා? ඒවා බලලා වැඩක් නැහැ කියලා හිතනවද? Comprehensive audit එක ගැන okay, it has there even in your LMS. Right. තව දවස් okay දෙසැම්බර් 24 බාර දෙන්න තියෙන හරියටම දවස් 60යි තියෙන්නේ. LMS එකේ තියෙන දවස් 61යි පැය 9ක් තියෙනවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට hand over කරන්න. Right? එතකොට did you all go through this assignment? Could you all have to talk now? Have you all selected a company? I also can't remember what confectionery industry. Okay, you have to select a company in the confectionery industry and do. So have you all started the company? Have you all selected the company at least? Can I know who have selected the company? Raise your hands. Raise your hands who have selected the company by now. Now I'll go. Good. Then now I'll get the company select. Shayan, Yashodhara, good. What else? Who else? Who else? Tundanai. Huh? Tundanai select කරගෙන තියෙන්නේ. Huh? අනිත් ඒගොල්ලන් කම්පැනි එක select කරගෙනත් නැහැ කියන්නේ. Shan, Malsha, okay. So very few have selected the company. Guys, don't take it so lenient this time. Not because of anything. Marking will be a bit tough this time because it's a final, and your assignment should be good. Aniston, you have selected company. Your assignment should be a pro assignment this time because marking. Because of the marking patterns. එහෙනම් ඒක දැම්ම ඉඳලම ගෙනියන්න. මොකද අන්තිම මොහොතේ assignment එකට අත ගහන්න යන්න එපා මේ පාර නම්. So you will be in a deep trouble. Okay. So today I'll be taking you all on the research side since we didn't take okay, we just took a start but we didn't continue with the research. So let's look at the research part, the marketing research, the business intelligence side and the research side, how we can, we being salespeople, how we do a research. So can someone tell me what is a research? I think I gave you all a small idea. Can someone tell me what is a research? Okay, let's ask some, rather making it open-ended. What is a research? Dulini, what is a research? What do you mean by the term research? How do you understand the term research? Dulini? Dulini?
It is a study of a certain source.
It is a study of a certain source. Okay. Right, what else?
To identify the details and to go in order to reach some kind of conclusions.
Okay, very good. Very good. Right. We'll get another one. Binu, are you there? Binu, are you there? Binu?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Binu.
It's about finding something, a meaning of something. Let's say, like in simple terms, it's re means again, like we are finding something again and again, and search means to find out something. So, so I feel like it's exploring something that we don't know.
Okay, very good. Exploring something that we don't know. Very good. Okay. Right. What about Malsha? What about Malsha? Malsha.
A systematic investigation carried out to discover new knowledge.
Systematic. Okay, very good. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yes.
search for new knowledge. I think research is, yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Right. What about Asha, number 100? Asha? Asha, are you there? Asha? 100? Asha නැද්ද ඉන්නවද? Manushika? Manushika? Manushika ඉන්නවද? Manushika 0099 ඉන්නවද Manushika? Okay, so can we see මුන් class එක නෙමෙයි එන්නේ මට බෑ. Nilika 109 Nilika, are you there? Nilika? Guys and girls, come on. Harshi 123 මොකක්ද research කියලා කියන්නේ? Harshi 123 number. Harshi, sorry, Hansi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, මොකක්ද, what is this the term called research?
රිසර්ච් එකක් කියන්නේ කලින් කරපු දෙයක් නැවත ප්‍රශ්නයකට අරගෙන අපි සර්ච් කරලා ඒක ගැන කරන දේ.
කලින් කරපු දෙයක් කියන වචන ධර්මයයි.
Research. It's
Okay,
research about.
research. I'm talking about research. Okay, research. Okay, I don't know. Wait. ඔයා කියන්නේ නැවත සොයා ගැනීමක් නෙවෙයි, නැවත සොයා බැලීමක් කියන එක නේ. You mean to say, okay.
No, existing problem will be ඒ කියන්නේ දැනට තියෙන ප්‍රශ්නයක් ඒ ගැන කලින් කරලා තියෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. දැනට පවතින දෙයක් ගැන ඒ කියන්නේ නැවත කරලා ඒක ගැන ප්‍රශ්නට උත්තරේ හොයනවා කියන එක. ඒ කියන්නේ කොහොමද තත්ත්වය වගේ. ඒ කියන්නේ ඒක ඩිපෙන්ඩ් වෙන අපි ගන්න ටොපික් එකත් එක්ක.
උදාහරණයක් විදිහට කිව්වොත්
අපි ගත්තොත් ලංකාවේ බතික් ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එකට කොහොමද අපි ඒක වැඩි දියුණු කරන්න කියන එක වගේ මාකටිං ස්ට්‍රැටජිස් දාලා.
ඔයා බත් ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එකේ දින්නේ?
හා?
ඔයා බත් ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එකේ දින්නේ?
No, sir.
Are you in the batik?
Beauty culture and fashion designing side එක කරන්නේ. බතික්
Okay.
පොඩ්ඩක් මම කැමතියි ඒක කරන්න.
Okay, very good.
එතකොට ඒ වගේ තමයි කියන්නේ. එතකොට දැන් අපිට දැනට ලංකාවේ තියෙන සිටුේෂන් එකත් එක්ක බතික් ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එක අපි කොහොමද නගා සිටවන්නේ කියන එක අපිට මාකටිං ස්ට්‍රැටජිස් through ඒක රිසර්ච් කරලා ගන්න පුළුවන් විදිහට. It's a kind of research.
Okay, good. Very good. So let's look at Ashen. Ashen, are you there? 154. Ashen, are you there? Yes. Ashen, what do you think? What do you mean by the research?
Research is basically an existing problem is there, and somebody needs to capture that problem, and he actually builds some hypothesis, something that means he interprets that this happens in this way, and afterwards he conducts some experiments to prove that point. If the experiments do not prove that point, that means his hypothesis is wrong. Then his solution for that problem is not exact. Then again he needs to come up with another interpretation of what is the solution for that particular problem. So that finally, after he's done the research experiments, then he analyzes his results, finally come to a conclusion that this happens due to this. So it can be applied to any field. It can be applied to science, IT, any field it can be.
Okay, Ashen, since you were using the word hypothesis, what do you mean by the hypothesis? With your understanding, I don't need the detailed explanation, but with your understanding, simple definition for hypothesis. Since you are using it, I mean to say. What do you mean by
Yeah,
hypothesis?
yes, hypothesis means that after we have observed the problem or the issue, we interpret the solution. This happens due to this. That statement is the hypothesis.
Okay, right, good. Hypothesis is basically the assumption what you made sometimes. Okay, it's an assumption, right? Okay, very good. So see, research, when it comes for research, I mean, building hypotheses and validating hypotheses, all these things are part of the entire journey of research. So when you look at the term research, how are we going to do when someone asks, okay, you all to define the term research, you all have to cover the entire dimensions in it. Otherwise, that definition is not completed. So when I repeat you all with the textbook definition where you all get about research, in most of the textbooks, it defined as a systematic process. Research is a systematic process. Now, this hypothesis comes in between just because it is a systematic process. Then we come up with some kind of assumptions and we do research to find these assumptions are true and validate them and take on final decision based on that. So research is a systematic process, systematic approach. That is the first thing. Why we call it as a systematic process? You have to plan it properly and implement if you are to get the better result or best out of whatever your effort. And this systematic approach of what? May systematic approach ke monowada karanne, right? In this systematic approach, the first thing we do, okay, to find a solution for an existing problem. To find a solution for an existing problem with the objective of finding a solution for an existing problem. This problem may be positive or negative. මං ගිය පාර කිව්වා මේක problem එකක් කියලා කියපු ගමන් research එකකට sale එක වැඩි වුණත් problem එකක් research එකක් හැටියට research එකක් විදියට. So to find a solution for an existing problem, you need information. You need information. For you to take decisions, you need information. So for you to get information, you need data. For you to get information, you need data. So to find a solution, you need information. To get information, you need data. So to collect data, I mean, to get this data, you have to collect data. And once you collect this data, you analyze data and interpret into information. Then අපි market එකට එළියට ගිහිල්ලා collect කරන්නේ data. Information නෙමෙයි. එතකොට ඒ collect කරන data අපි අරන් ඇවිල්ලා අපි analyze කරනාට පස්සේ තමයි අපිට ඒවා information විදියට use කරන්න පුළුවන් level එකට we are getting it. Okay, you have a huge difference between the data and the information. First, you got to identify that. So this systematic approach is responsible for collecting data, analyzing data, and interpreting these data into meaningful information. Interpreting data into meaningful information to find a solution for a given problem in the field. So here, my dear friends, remember whatever the data analytics part, analysis part, okay, building strategic questionnaires and defining hypotheses and all these things are activities what you do to comply this definition. Systematic approach of collecting data, interpreting data into meaningful information and sending this information for decision making purpose. So අපි මේ decision making purpose වලට information යවන්න තමයි අපි collect කරන data ඔය hypothesis base කරගෙන collect කරන data. I'll come into that word, don't worry. So අපි use කරන. ඉතින් මේ ඔක්කොම activities මෙන්න මේ definition එක ඇතුලේ තමයි තියෙන්නේ. When you even look at the entire process of marketing research plan, you see these steps. You see these steps. So අපි අඳුර ගන්න ඕනේ මෙන්න මේ research කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියන එක. We all are doing research. Day in and day out we all are doing research. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි සමහර වෙලාවට අපි research in depth research යන්නේ නැති වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Causal research ඒ කියන්නේ correlation calculations යන data දෙකක් validate කරන research යන්න නැති වෙනවා. නමුත් අපිට casual research අපිට යන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් අපි ගත්තොත් එහෙම exploratory research වලට අපිට යන්න පුළුවන්. අපි යනවා daily basis. ඉතින් අපි ගත්තොත් මේ අපි හැමෝම research කරලා තියෙනවා. ඒක research කරනවා කියලා එක descriptive research කරලා නැතුව ඇති. causal research කරලා නැතුව ඇති. නමුත් generally we all are doing research in our life. In our life. අපි මොනවා හරි product එකක් ගන්න ගියත් first time අපි ගන්න ගියත් product එකක් එතනදී අපි research calculation research study එකකට යනවා. study එකට ගිහිල්ලා තමයි අපි ඒකේ final decisions ගන්නෙ whether that is okay or not කියන එක. So research is like that. So can we take down this note? Can we take down this? Can we take down? Are you all ready with your notebooks? කාලෙකින් notebook note එකක් දෙනවා. Are you all ready with your notes? Right. Take down the topic heading. Topic heading goes as take down the topic heading. Managing business intelligence. Managing business intelligence. මම LMS එකේ තියෙන topic heading එක ගන්නෙ. Managing business intelligence and designing strategic direction. And designing strategic direction. ඔක තමයි topic heading එක, right? So let's take down under this. You have a subheading.
Sir, can you repeat it again, please? Managing business intelligence and
Managing business intelligence and designing strategic direction. Designing strategic direction.
okay. Thank you.
Problem. Right. So here the subheading, just take down marketing research. Subheading marketing research. Take down marketing research. Marketing research is defined as marketing research is defined as marketing research is defined as सामान्य making exam එකට MCQs වලට අඩුම MCQs making 8ක්වත් generate වෙන්න පුළුවන්. 8ක් 5යි 8යි අතර වගේ generate වෙන්න පුළුවන් MCQs මේ chapter එකේ. So marketing research is defined as the systematic way of collecting data. The systematic way of collecting data. The systematic way of collecting data. Analyzing data into analyzing data. Just take down analyzing data. and converting these data into meaningful information, analyzing data and converting these data into meaningful information, meaningful information, and sending those information for decision making purpose, sending those information for decision making purpose, sending those information for decision making purpose, for decision making purpose, for an existing, to find a solution for an existing problem, to find a solution for an existing problem, to find a solution for an existing problem. Can someone repeat it? Can someone repeat it? කවුරු repeat කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? ලියාගත්ත දේ
Okay, wait. Marketing research is defined as a systematic way of collecting data, analyzing the data into and converting this data into meaningful information and sending those information for decision making purpose for an existing problem to find a solution for an existing problem.
Okay, we have revised for an existing. Okay, I will repeat it. It's a systematic way of collecting data. Thank you, sir. Systematic way of collecting data. Systematic way of collecting data, analyzing data, interpreting data into meaningful information, and sending those information for decision making purpose for a problem in hand. So ඕක තමයි research එක අපි define කරන්නේ. Research එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියන එක අපි define කරන්නේ. So when you look at this definition, okay, when you look at this definition, you know what and what things are included in this කියන එක. එතකොට when you are planning your research, there are certain steps to be taken. When you are planning your research, there are certain steps to be taken. So, I mean, what are the things we need to do? So, I mean, in definition, we were talking about finding a solution for a particular problem at the latter part. But research, we are starting with that. No? ඒක හින්දානේ අපි research එක start කරන්නේ. එහෙනම් when you're planning a research, my dear friends, remember, you have to identify and clearly define the problem what you have. ඕගොල්ලෝ මේ මොකටද මේ research එක කරන්නේ? මොකද්ද ඕගොල්ලන්ට තියෙන problem එක? නිකන් මේ problem definition එකක් දෙනවයි කියලා කියන්නේ නිකන් මේ පේලියකින් අපි research එක brief කරනවානේ මේක one single line අරගෙන research එක brief කරන එක නෙමෙයි මේ problem definition එකක් කරනවායි කියලා කියන්නේ research එකකට. එතකොට research එකේ Tamanට තියෙන problem එක, let's say as an example, if you worried about the market drop, so you have to explain. So over a period we had this much of revenue, but suddenly the revenue dropped in this way. So it's a problem, and we need to identify the reason behind this drop, and like that you have to explain it properly. Because when it comes to the research, so if an outsider, can someone is there? Unmute. You'll have to mute. Okay. Pradeep Mataragi. You have to mute. So if a question is not there, please mute. So I mean, මේ problem එක මොකක්ද කියන එක හරියට define කරන්න ඕනේ research එකක් පටන් ගන්න කලින්. නැත්තම් we will go haywire. අපි දන්නේ නැහැනේ මොකටද අපි මේ research එක කරන්න කියලා. සහ මේ research problem එක identify කරගෙන research problem එක clearly define කරගෙන ඒ ඕගොල්ලෝ බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන හොයන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන එහෙම නැත්තම් research එකෙන් බලාපොරොත්තු කරලා බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන objective එක you have to explain properly. Let's say as an example, if some outsider is reading your document, then he or she knows what and what areas to be considered and I mean what and what objectives, what and what problems you all have in your I mean current context. So for that only we do research now. So my dear friends, if you are not by the name for a reason, we will be removing people those who are not by the name. So I see some ASCII codes, the names that are there without I mean at least the number should be there, the student registration number. If none of these things are there, we will Nirmada, I think we need to remove if the name or the number is not there, we will have to remove. Nirmada, are you there? This is my dear friends, this we are doing with a reason, so don't take us wrong. So we are doing with a research. So if you are a student, please come up either with a name or the number which is given. So we can't entertain any scrolls comes into this. So it is a concern for us if so. So right. So remember, problem එක අපි define කරන්න ඕනේ clearly මොකක්ද අපි මේ කරන්න හදන්නේ කියලා. මොකක්ද අපිට තියෙන problem එක. සහ we need to define the objectives clearly to identify මොකක්ද අපි what are we trying to achieve after doing this research කියලා. So research plan එක කරනකොට first thing you got to do is that define your research problem and objectives to be achieved after the research. That is the first thing you got to do. එතකොට දැන් අපි දන්නවා නම් අපේ ප්‍රශ්නේ මොකක්ද කියන එක. අපි දන්නවා නම් අපිට හොයන්න ඕනේ මොන වගේ දෙයක්ද කියන එක අපේ research එකෙන් පස්සේ අපි achieve කරගන්න හදන objective එක අපි දන්නවා නම් it is very much easy for us to line up the rest. If not, what will happen, right? We will do something but without having a proper target or a focus. So because of that, we need to have a clear idea on that area. So once you have a clear idea about the research problem and the research objective, you have to plan the entire thing. You have to plan the entire thing. So okay. 1 minute.